Yeah, what? We got cash on top of cash, bands on top of bands. Fuck what you thought, fuck what you saying. Bands on top of bands, cash on top of cash, swag on top of swag. It's dripping up my ass. And you know we got no bands on bands on bands, bands on bands on bands, bands on bands on bands. Hey, we got no bands on bands on bands, bands on bands on bands. Okay, I got bands off in my jeans. These ain't no damn skin. These trues on my head, cost $3.50 a piece. Don't give a fuck what you mean. I got that jacket to match. You know I'm rocking that motherfucking snapback. And you know I'm clean in the bit. It's Young Car, YF the crew, RIP Young Bar. Fuck y'all niggas talking about. I don't give a fuck. That 4-5 on me, I wet your ass up. Cause I'm a real nigga. And I ain't gon' flex about the trigger finger. You see this finger? It's happy, nigga. I kill your ass just for fun. And shout out to my nigga Young Mun. And you know that we got them bands on bands on bands. Rats off in my pants, these trues on my ass. And I don't give a fuck, I ain't whipping. I call my partner Young B, and we dipping, surfing in that money. And you know, we got bands on bands on bands, bands on bands on bands, trues on my ass. That nigga got a swag. Bands on bands on bands, bands on bands on bands, bands on bands on bands. We got them bands on bands on bands, bands on bands on bands. Now why me do my dance? Say, I'ma smoke that damn pole. You know I ain't gon' choke. They kush off in my throat. You see my eye low. They already red, but I don't give a fuck though. I ain't got no fucking job. I smoke how much I want. You see that green shit, that light shit off in my blunt? You know what time it is. It's YC and Future Beat. I supposed to have a nigga on the track with me, but I'ma go solo cause I'm a solo nigga. I got a crew, we is them YF niggas, but I'm here by myself today. Hey, and you know I ain't afraid cause I'm rapping on it damn beat with no pad or pen. It's Young Car and I'm really getting it in. Freestyle off the dome, so fuck what you talking about. My pockets ain't in no damn drought. We get to the cash, talking real shit. I'm talking thousands after thousands. Yeah, them bands, bitch. I don't give a fuck. That lean off in my cup, and you know it's double. That mean I'm purpled up. But what you saying, nigga? I got them bars. I'm just playing, but I'm freestyling off the dome. And you know I'm on that loud pack. I mean that strong kush. That be the fucking sack. Hey, shout out the whole crew though. Young Dub, Bob, Courtney, and